Hello, Mittu Pee. Mittu's feathers are falling down. We gave her some
Seeds.
no dhoop
Sunlight.
sunlight. Now Mittu want to eat this seed, the seed of sunflower. She loves it. Mittu, take it. Mittu, where is the seed? Oh, at last. Mittu, take the seed. Mittu. Now Mithu is going better after taking sunlight. Before that, she's so irritated and bites everyone. Mithu also open its lid whenever she wants to eat. Oh,
It's hard.
soak them. Soak some seeds. We buy some new seeds for Mithu from the Raz. Mittu, do you like seeds? Hmm?
Took us all time. We should have done that later.
Let her open the lid. Mittu, you are so clever. She only selects sunflower and not too much. Don't give her too much. Enough. She already eaten a lot. My English is so improved in this video.
Yes.
You know?
Very much.
Very much. In this way, she only ruined the seed. Didn't eat. She became so greedy. Became. Oh, Mittu, what have you do now? What have you done now? What? became turn into crow. Don't irritate. Mittu baby? Hmm? Mittu baby? Hmm? Cute little baby? Hmm? Hmm? Mittu? Meow Mittu? Hmm? Hmm? Bye bye. Bye Mittu. Oh.
She said, don't touch me again.
Okay. She said bye bye. Hmm? Bye.